Hey guys, it's Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Williams Realty here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa looks good on you, and again, I'm having such a great time featuring local business owners who are making adjustments and getting through this shift in our market and through life in our new normal pandemic world. So I'm here with Chef Candace. I have been a customer of yours and had a
Yes.
blast, and you own That Girl Can Cook. So I want you to share with everyone what it is you guys do over there and how you even got into the cooking world anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, that's okay. So the Girl Can Cook Cooking Studio and Kitchen. We're in the Rose District in Broken Arrow. We actually started out a little over 10 years ago on Cherry Street.
Yeah.
And just sort of built our little business from there. My general manager, Natalia Banjak, and I had been in the restaurant business together. That's how we met. We've been friends, best friends for over 12 years. And so we have a really, I think people may call it an interesting rapport between the two of us, but we like to have fun in the kitchen. We don't want things to be intimidating. We want people, because our mission really at The Girl Can Cook is to get people to cook more at home and enjoy it. So we teach real people how to cook real food, and we do hands-on classes when we're not in the midst of this COVID-19 situation. But yeah, we've been doing it for 10 years. We got into it from being in the restaurant business and having a little cooking. I guess it was a teaching kitchen that was next door to us on Brookside when we had our restaurant, and I tried my hand at it about 12 years ago, and I was hooked at that point. I'd been teaching outside of the kitchen before that, but yeah, I just have the teaching bug. I love to teach. I love to show people how to cook.
Well, as a customer of yours, we always would go as a team, as a business, as a small group. It's a great way. I'm sure you just have so many people come and hang out with you guys. You maybe drink a little bit of wine. You get to learn how to cook some meals you wouldn't otherwise ever learn how to cook, and then you take them home and you can do them at home as well. Well,
Right.
since that was a big part of your business, how have you adjusted over the last month?
Well, we stopped our classes on March 17th when Mayor Bynum said, "Hey, we can't do this anymore." So we have actually had catering and takeout delivery as part of our business anyway. We were really heavily cooking classes, 80/20, I would say. But we had a new catering menu coming out. We got it on the website. We've had people supporting us through that. So we're making it little by little with the takeout and delivery, and we certainly appreciate all those people who are supporting us that way. And then we're making our best attempt at giving back with doing virtual online classes that are free of charge, and we're trying to make them just as fun as the classes are when you're up close and personal with us.
Well, that's great because when you're cooking at home and drinking wine, you're a little bit safer just to walk to your bed than getting home. So
It
maybe
is much safer that way.
so that's a good win for you. Well, I love it because on your Facebook page is where you share your event. You have one coming up on Saturday, right?
Yes, on Saturday, we've had a lot of success with Ina Garten's favorites as one of our cooking classes. So I thought, well, why not? Let's just throw one of those in there. And this is her skillet roasted lemon chicken that we're going to be teaching on Saturday, along with a couple of other things. But that's the main recipe. And it's one of my favorite ways to cook chicken. Super easy. And it's delicious. So we're going to do that this Saturday. And I always tell people to remember to bring their glass of wine because you really can't cook without one.
That's very true. Now, your cooking classes on Saturday, at least for now, are free. And
Yes.
so anyone could watch, and maybe they can first watch just to see if they're up for the challenge. And then maybe you're going to continue these every weekend, or?
Until we can get back in our real kitchen, we're going to continue doing them on Saturdays. We may have an adjustment once we get back to whatever normal is going to be like in the near future, hopefully. But we will continue to do them because I think people have really enjoyed them, at least from all the comments and the questions that we get during the online class. I think that people really like them, so we kind of can't not do them, you know.
Right. Well, here's what the deal. You're staying positive. You shifted your business due to what we have going on, and you're giving back to the community. All of those are so special and just appreciated. So if people want to find you and learn more, what's the best way to do that?
Well, you can find us on our Facebook page, which is Chef Candace Conley, The Girl Can Cook. We also have a website, which is thegirlcancookschool.com. And between those two places, you can find out pretty much everything there is to know about us.
Well, you're a gem. We appreciate you and look forward to seeing you in the cooking class in real life soon enough, but not for now.
Not for now, but soon, yes.
I'll talk to you later. Thank you so
Okay.
much for all you do. Bye.
Thanks, Jenny.